Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord AC2, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration section. Here you can see the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute the ringtone, you should swipe this dot on the ringtone volume panel to the left side, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just by use the volume buttons here on the left side of our device. Just first click here to the volume button function to be sure that you got selected here the ringtone volume to use the volume buttons. And now just by press your down volume button, you can also mute your device ringtone. And also we can do it by the same third way, just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then with your fingers slide down the volume panel here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.